How can a normal person save a life, one individual at a time? Where can you find an ordinary hero in this day and age? What does it take to make a difference? Every day, more than 100,000 units of blood are in need due to accidents, disease, or surgery, but only 10% of the nation's population donates blood. Only 10% answers the call. Blood helps and sustains life, and by donating your blood, you will also be giving life to someone else in need. On July 29th, you can answer the call to be a hero. Heroes make a difference. They instill hope. They show courage in times of uncertainty. They make tough decisions without waver, and have an unquestionable passion to help others. You have the ability to be a great hero. Donate blood.